Some truly awe-inspiring video has been captured right here on Vancouver Island. A drone pilot was in the mountains near Port Alberni when an avalanche began to rumble above him. As Brendan Strange shows us, he quickly launched his aircraft, capturing a must-see video showing the power and the beauty of nature. Video that's also prompting warnings in the backcountry.
What you are about to see is the immense power Mother Nature holds. Ahead is Namint Mountain near Strathcona Park. And this is not a waterfall, but an avalanche. Captured by a long-range racing drone, giving us a perspective of a slide most have never seen.
It's not water, that's just an incredible amount of snow coming down.
The operator of the drone and high-resolution camera is himself camera shy, but did agree to speak today over the phone.
The timing was just pure dumb luck.
He and his friend were about to pack up for the day when they noticed a slide beginning at the mountain's peak.
By the time the big mass of snow got to where it was, that was the time it took me to get in the air.
The pilot continued the flight up the mountain, following the avalanche's path.
I think there is a point there where I was probably 6 inches off the ground in some places.
Taking us nearly inside the massive slide.
It was a unique perspective to see the power of an avalanche and what it could do.
Dwight Yoakam is the CEO of BC Search and Rescue. Last week, Avalanche Canada issued an avalanche warning. Yoakam says this is a dangerous time of year to be in the backcountry.
This time of year, that snow is just like flowing wet cement.
He says this video clearly illustrates the dangers of an avalanche.
Bone-breaking, dangerous stuff. And if you happen to end up buried in that, you have between 10 and 15 minutes of survival time buried in an avalanche.
He recommends always carrying an avalanche beacon and an avalanche probe with you in the backcountry, as well as being aware of your surroundings and the dangers that could lie above.
Unfortunately, most times that we're called in an avalanche situation, it isn't to save someone, it's a recovery.
This rare video shows the immense force behind an avalanche, captured by a drone with the pilot a safe distance away.
It was, I think, 1.3 kilometers from us to the base of the mountain, and I flew that faster than I've ever flown a drone in my life.
Brendan Strain, CTV News, Victoria.